everybody, this is Robin. Welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't been on here that much lately, but I have a new unboxing to do. It's from USA Wholesale, and I bought 3 different things, and one of them is a box of eyeshadow palettes, and the other one is a box of mixed makeup, and the other box is a mix of face creams and stuff. So that's what we're going to be looking into today. If you are new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. And let's get into what I got. I will move the camera so you can see the big box, which I think has 2 boxes in it. We shall see. Let's open this up. There we go. Hope y'all can see a little bit. Got paper on here. Let me see if I move my camera where you can see a little bit better. I don't know if there's 2 boxes in here or it's all together or what. But we shall see. Nope, there's 2 boxes in here. We got enough packing paper, bubble wrap, and let's see. There's this box, and here's this box. So we can move this box out of the way. Let's see. Which box shall I open first? Let me tilt you guys down so you can see a little bit more better. Okay, let's see. I don't know which one I want to open first. Where's my thing? Oh, here it is. Let's open up this one. Because I really don't know which one's which until I open it. More paper. Oh, these are the eyeshadow palettes. And they're good size. So, let's see what they look like. Open this up carefully. Ouch. Don't do that, you'll hurt yourself. At least I'm not bleeding. Okay. This is Beauty Creations. I think it's Eyeliner, I think. Not sure. I'll pull it out somehow. Oh, there we go. Pull it out. And we shall see the colors. Nice. Look at that. This is Beauty Creations Eyeliner, I think. I think that's what it's called. I'm not sure. That's one. I paid like over $200 and some odd for the 6 palettes and a box of mixed makeup and a box of face creams. So that's not too bad. I usually have a slip of paper that tells me what I got. But this is Beauty Creations Olivia. And these are the colors. Kind of earth tony. Move that, maybe you can see a little bit better. These are nice. I didn't think they would be this big. They're good size palettes. So that's number 2 palette. And this is Beauty Creations Elsa from Frozen. There we go. Those are some pretty colors. Hope I do good on reselling these. This is my first time getting eyeshadow palettes from this place. And here's one from Anna. Let's see what kind of colors are in here. These are very vibrant and pretty. Anna and Elsa. And then we have another Beauty Creations called Frida. I think these are like Disney character themed ones. I'm not sure. These are pretty. And last one is Beauty Creations Jasmine. These have to be themed from the princesses. Ooh, these are pretty. There's some shiny ones in there with glitter. So those are my eye palettes. That's 6 of those. And now let's open this one. We'll save the fun one for last, maybe. And I think it's all the makeup. The mix between Maybelline and NYX and L'Oreal and Milani and all that. I think this is my face makeup. I mean my face cream. Yep. We have L'Oreal Revitalift Derm Intervene Intensive. Yeah, I got that. And I got the Revitalift Triple Power Anti-Aging Eye Cream Roller. And that right there. We have 2 Age Perfect Eye Renewals by L'Oreal. And then we have 2 Revitalift Bright Reveal Brightening Day Moisturizer. And then we have Pure Clay Mask Detox and Brighten. I think I have these are different. This is 3 Pure Clay Charcoal. And then this one here is a 3 Pure Clay Red Algae. And this one here is a 3 Pure Clay Eucalyptus. And these are by L'Oreal, all of these. And this is another Eucalyptus. And this is another Red Algae. And this is another Charcoal. So I got 2 of each of that. Let's see, I'll put that stuff in there. Now is for all the makeup. So let me point you down a little bit further so you guys can see a little bit better into the box. Hopefully I'm opening this up right. Yeah, right side. Yeah, this is all the makeup. What is this? All this paper from one little thing. And it does not show the price. Okay. More paper. Got plenty of packing paper. Okay, we have two Colossal Maybelline New York Glam Black mascara. And looks like some NYX lipstick or something. And then another one just like it, different color. Another eyeshadow by Maybelline. And then an eyebrow pencil in medium something. Well, here's another one of those NYX lipstick things. And here we have a color show, polka dots. I'm not sure if that's a lipstick or lip gloss or eyeshadow or whatever, but I'll figure it out. And here is a Keep It Clean long wear lip color thing. What is it? Remover, lip cover remover. I think I still have some of that listed. Here's some more lipstick by L'Oreal. Excuse me. And here's a Superstay by Maybelline in color 112. That's the color. Let me see if I can turn this light on. Don't want to, these things are bright. Another NYX lip color. I think I'm in the shadows. I want you guys to see that, but I don't think you guys can because of this light. Let me try something else. Let me turn this light off and turn on another light. Oh, I think you guys can see. This is that color. It's kind of purplish. And then we have some Dream Velvet by Maybelline in the color 92 Caramel. And an eyeshadow palette by NYX, Love in Florence. Those are some pretty colors. Some more lip cream. I'm not sure what color. Vancouver. Anyhow, here's another NYX lip cream. And here is a L'Oreal Infallible Paints. Sunset Fire, I guess for your lips. It's another lipstick by L'Oreal. It's Crushed Foil lipstick. And here is another Halo Graphic by NYX. So it's some kind of primer. And here's a NYX blush. And Here is a Covergirl Vitalist Healthy Glow. I have some of that already listed. And then here's another one of those lipsticks. This one here is Brass. What was the other one? Bronze. This is a bronze. And here is a Metallic Lights by Milani. Guess this is a lipstick or something. These case packs, we'll open up those afterwards. Here is an infallible eyeliner in black. And here's a NYX Velvet Matte Lipstick. Here's another NYX lipstick. At least I think that's what that is. It's awfully bright. Yep, it's a lip cream. Here's another NYX lip cream. And here is a Melting Pout by Covergirl. And here's a NYX Whipped something, frappe or something, I don't know. It's pink lace. I think that's a lip cream. And then here's a Primate Lip. Primate Lip. And here's another Katy Perry lip gloss. Oop, this one's lost its lid. It's probably in here somewhere. But this is a Screen Queen 330 Bisque, Golden Bisque. I have to leave that out because I probably know that the lid is in here somewhere. Covergirl Clean Fresh. It's a tan. You can see it. Whoops. Tan color. And that's one. I got 3 tan, but some of them are like, you know, kind of messed up a bit. Some more blush by NYX. Another NYX lip cream. And some more NYX Butter Gloss and Master Glaze Lip Scrub. Lip stuff. Lip gloss, butter gloss. Another Milani. Ludicrous Lights. I think I signed it. Yeah. Sold the last one I had like that. So, oh, and here's another one. It's pink. And this is Lollapalooza. Lollapalooza. That's what that is. These names. And then here is a Amber Nectar by Milani. There's another one of those Beauty Touch by Milani. Some more lipstick by Milani. Matte Delegate. Let's see. That color. And here's another Covergirl eye palette. Here is a Sublime Bronze, non-tinted Mist, Express Mist Self-Tanning. That's something new. I didn't get that before. I'll put that over there. bigger stuff. And then some more NYX Sunkissed. It's another Covergirl tan. Another Covergirl tan. So that leaves like 5 of those. Pink, brown, prune rose, jumbo lip crayon, and another lipstick by, I'm not sure, Covergirl. And here is a Amar Shine by Milani for your lips, and Color Tattoo 24 crayon in a barely beige right there. Another lipstick by Maybelline, I think. And a Milani Cremella Prep and Smooth. And another one of these Super Stays in the color 110, which is porcelain. Some more of the Metallic Lights by Milani. I'm not sure, is that lip stuff or eyeshadow stuff? I don't like the writing on these things. You can't see too much what it is. But anyway, that's that. And then we have some more of the Super Clinique by NYX. And another NYX Lip Luster. And a NYX Lip Liner. And the color Deep Red. And here is a Brow Stylist Light Pale. And here is a Luminous Lash Paradise Rose Gold. Ooh, eyeliner. Rose gold eyeliner. And this is a L'Oreal lipstick. Here's another one of those Covergirl Vitalist Healthy Glow thing. And 3 of the Bigger Lash by Milani. Got 3 of those. Mascara. And here is another Sublime Bronze Express Pro tan spray. That over there with the other one. And here is a Wicked Lippy. Wicked Lippy. Another one of those lipsticks. And another NYX Whipped Stuff. I think it's lipstick. And these are 2 lipsticks by Covergirl. Another lipstick by Covergirl. Another one by NYX. 2 more by L'Oreal. I'll just sell those like together. There's another Milani Hermosa Rose. And here's another NYX Sun Kiss. So that makes 2 of those. And some more of these Halo Graphic Glow sticks by NYX. Here's another Milani Deep Beige for your face. It doesn't come with a lid though. And I don't see no, oh wait a minute, here's the lids. There's what it's supposed to look like. That's good. lids will be in here somewhere. Another blush by NYX. And here is a NYX Cake That. Eyeliner. It's a powder eyeliner, so there's 2 different colors in there. There's some more lip gloss by Covergirl. 2 more of those. And some more of the L'Oreal lipstick. Looks like a purple. There's another one of these crushed foil by L'Oreal. This is varnished. And then I think I have these 2 things left. They are NYX All Over Balm. NYX All Over Balm. Never heard of these. Yeah, that's it. That's everything in the box. Now we can go through this. Wow. Wait a minute. There's one more thing. Color Tattoo eyeshadow. In what color? Taupe. The color taupe. Now we can open up these boxes and see what we have. This is True Blend Honey Beige. Oh, they're Covergirl Honey Beige foundations. And this is a Covergirl. They are True Blend Super Stunner Liquid Warm Shimmer Creations. It's just 2 warm shimmers. This is another Covergirl. Oh, these are Covergirl Simply Ageless by Olay. And it's got vitamin C in it. It's soft sable. 2 soft sables. The reason why also while I'm opening this I didn't do a what sold video is because I didn't sell a whole lot, so I didn't do a what sold. Sorry guys. Maybe next time I'll have better, maybe this weekend I'll have better luck sales. Okay, this is a Covergirl True Blend highlighter, contour, and bronzer. Got 2 of those. And that concludes everything that I got today from USA Wholesale. I can't get that paper in there. There we go. But that's everything right here that I got. All the makeup and all the palettes and face creams and things. So I hope you guys all enjoyed the my USA Wholesale haul. So this concludes everything, and now I need to get done listing what I have left from Wholesale Ninjas, and then I gotta get to listing this stuff. So happy sailing, everybody. I hope everybody has great sales and everybody's having a great weekend and a great week ahead. And if you liked what you saw, please subscribe, like, and share, and I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye for now.